There is no doubt, we've seen it with body-worn video to date, embracing technology can keep us safer. And I think it's right that we harness some of these technologies now.
Redaction, subject access, a very big subject now, and the public have become very aware of third-party information.
Being able to blur out members of the public that are not involved in the incident is absolutely critical and crucial to ensure that we protect the privacy.
And up till now, it has been a pain in terms of redacting any sort of footage and using some sort of pixel software. It's time-consuming, labour-intensive. With the new D-series cameras, we're going to have to go to DEMS 360, which does have the redaction software built in. The ability for an individual or maybe a data protection department to be able to redact simply and easily locally would be a major benefit. It's going to be an increasingly important aspect of capturing all this evidence and sharing it appropriately.
It's an exciting new area that we move into. We've massively moved on in terms of technology.